Chapter 21, Email Marketing, your most valuable digital asset. In the world of online business, platforms come and go. Algorithms change overnight, and social media reach can disappear in an instant. But one channel has stayed consistently powerful for decades: email marketing. Your email list is an asset you truly own. It's a direct line to your audience, unaffected by algorithm changes or platform shutdowns. If you build it and nurture it, it can become your single most reliable and profitable marketing channel. The reason email marketing is so valuable comes down to control and intimacy. When someone gives you their email address, they're inviting you into a more personal space than social media. Unlike a Facebook post that might only be shown to a small percentage of your followers, an email lands directly in their inbox. And because they've chosen to hear from you, they're far more likely to pay attention. This makes email a perfect place to build relationships, deliver value, and make offers. Getting people onto your list usually starts with a lead magnet, something valuable you give away for free in exchange for their email address. This could be a PDF guide, a checklist, a short video training, a discount code, or access to a free mini course. The best lead magnets solve a specific problem or help the subscriber take the first step toward a bigger goal. If you sell fitness programs, your lead magnet might be a 7-day beginner workout plan. If you sell marketing software, it might be a template pack for social media posts. The more relevant your lead magnet is to your paid offer, the more likely your subscribers will eventually become customers. Once someone joins your lists, the way you communicate with them matters. This is where email sequences come in. A welcome sequence is a set of emails sent automatically to new subscribers, introducing them to who you are, what you offer, and how you can help them. This is your chance to set expectations, deliver on your lead magnet, and start building trust. A good welcome sequence might share your story, provide helpful tips, and gradually lead to your first offer. Beyond the welcome sequence, you should be emailing your list regularly, at least once a week for most businesses. These emails can include educational content, behind-the-scenes updates, product launches, or personal stories. The goal is to stay top of mind so that when your subscribers are ready to buy, you're the first person they think of. Consistency is key here. If you disappear for months, people will forget who you are and be less likely to open your emails when you return. Segmentation makes your email marketing even more powerful. Not all subscribers are the same, so sending everyone the exact same messages can waste opportunities. You can segment based on interests, behaviors, or purchase history. For example, if someone downloaded your free beginner guide, they might be interested in beginner-level products, while someone who bought your advanced course might be ready for a premium offer. Segmentation allows you to send more relevant emails, which increases engagement and sales. Email marketing also works beautifully for launching new products or running promotions. You can build anticipation with teaser emails, share early bird offers with your lists, and set deadline reminders to create urgency. Because email is such a direct and personal channel, these campaigns often convert at a much higher rate than social media posts or ads. Of course, you have to respect your subscribers' attention. If every email is just a sales pitch, people will unsubscribe. The most effective email marketers focus on giving value first, sharing tips, stories, or resources that make the readers' lives better. When you've built that relationship, your audience will be much more open to buying from you. One final advantage of email marketing is that it compounds over time. Every day you can be adding new subscribers to your list, and every new subscriber is someone you can reach with future offers without spending extra money on ads. That means your marketing gets stronger and more profitable the longer you do it. Building an email list takes effort, but once you have it, you have something incredibly powerful: a direct, lasting connection with the people most likely to buy from you. Social media might get you attention, but email list is where you turn that attention into relationships, and relationships into revenue.